Major boost to Prime Minister Modi's Digital India initiative, the government has completed the first phase of the BharatNet program, under which broadband connectivity has been provided in 1 lakh gram panchayats of the country. Telecom Minister Manoj Sinha expressed hope that the second phase of the project to provide broadband connectivity to the rest 1.5 lakh gram panchayats will be completed by the end of the year. The minister said that financial incentives and disincentives should be built into clauses for the second phase of the project to reward players for on-time delivery. Under phase 1, 1 lakh gram panchayats have been provided with high-speed broadband connectivity.
The Telecom Department has put in the hard work behind the success of fulfilling the Prime Minister's vision of Digital India. Special emphasis has been laid on providing internet services across the country. Before 31st December 2017, 1 lakh gram panchayats were linked with high-speed optical fiber network. This was accomplished in the first phase of the BharatNet project. BharatNet will provide broadband services to 2.5 lakh villages across the country, benefiting about 20 crore people.
1 लाख से ज़्यादा ग्राम पंचायतें 28 दिसंबर को ही सेवा देने की स्थिति में आ गई। खासतौर से भारत संचार निगम लिमिटेड BBNL, पावर ग्रिड और CSC के प्रति मैं विशेष रूप से आभार व्यक्त करता हूं। ITI, तेजस या ऑप्टिकल फाइबर जिन लोगों ने उपलब्ध कराया, इन सबके प्रति भी।
Telecom Minister further said that BharatNet is the largest project of its kind in the world to deliver broadband services to remote villages. He emphasized that it is playing a key role in realizing the Prime Minister's vision of a digital India and will create an ecosystem for large-scale job creation in the country.
प्रधानमंत्री जी ने जब सरकार संभाली तब से इस परियोजना को गति मिली और आज वो परियोजना पूरी हो गई है प्रथम चरण की। मुझे प्रसन्नता है। ई-हेल्थ, ई-एजुकेशन, ई-मेडिसिन, अनेक प्रकार की सेवाएं उन लोगों को जिनको अभी तक सुविधाएं नहीं प्राप्त थीं, जो कनेक्टेड नहीं थे, ऐसे ग्रामीण परिवेश में रहने वाले जिनको वास्तव में सबसे ज़्यादा ज़रूरत है, मैं समझता हूं कि इस परियोजना के कारण हम दे सकेंगे।
The target for completing the second phase of BharatNet is March 2019, in which 2,50,000 gram panchayats will be connected by broadband. The government intends to complete the project before the scheduled time. The government has clearly stated that there is no shortage of funds to complete the work on time. BharatNet is proving to be a revolutionary project in creating broadband and internet in rural India. It will have a far-reaching and constructive impact in different areas in future. With Siddhant Sibal, DD News.